I'm Sonav Samantwai from Cuttack. My age is 33 years. My profession is that I'm a freelancer and ex entrepreneur. And you can say that I'm a person who is recovering from addiction. My major problem was addiction. I used to take dry addiction substance, and it was prolonged for more than 5 years. From my childhood, I was very much diligent in my studies, but then in my college career, I was introduced to addiction, which in turn destroyed my personal life. I was in a trance initially. I had the misjudgment that my addiction was not hampering my studies because from my childhood till my college, my education was of good level, and I used to score good marks and percentage in my education field. So every time I was fighting with myself, I was talking to myself that addiction is not hampering me or my lifestyle or anything else. In such a way, I was becoming proud, conceited, and arrogant as well. But after my mother's death, I continued taking addiction in a whole new different level. It was 24 by 7 addiction, and I lost my senses in a way that I lost appeal to everything that was good to me. Anybody who spoke to me about love and hope, all these things, I became angry. I lost relationships. I lost those friend circle and those family members who cared me and wanted me to become good and better for the best part of my life. And then what happened is that one fine day, somebody introduced me to Punnava Seva Foundation. It was my sister who told me about Punnava Seva Foundation. Now I want to talk about the different types of programs they did here. There were interactive sessions, there were physical sessions, holistic treatment sessions like yoga and meditation. So what happens is that I realized that in my addiction days, I never used to put pressure on my body a lot, because if we don't put a bit pressure on our body, we become lethargic and the blood circulation also becomes very low. But while practicing yoga, it cleaned our toxic body substance through sweat and precipitation, and the blood circulation was also prolonged. The blood circulation was continuous, and it helped in the digestion of the food also. And in the meditation sessions, there was mental peace and calmness. And then we also had sessions, interactive sessions, and GFT classes, just for today classes, where we were taught about the impairments of addiction and the harmful effects of addiction, how we can fight addiction, and how we should admit that we are powerless over the addiction, and we should come out of it through the grace of God and through prayer and meditation. Now, coming to the basic point about my life and how Punnavas was effective in the change that I'm feeling now, was that here the experienced staff, faculty members, they had the patience to change my perspective, because from the beginning I had the arrogance that addiction was not doing anything harmful to me. But here I realized, and I got first hand proof, that the addiction that we take, it secretes dopamine in our brain, but at the same time we lose memory power, we lose our senses, we lose our decision making, and we lose, most importantly, we lose hope and a good life to live. But here they taught us about love and hope. They taught us that we have a healthy life ahead and we should not destroy our lives by taking addiction. So I want to thank Punnava Seva Foundation for all the good things that they did to me, and for all the good eye opening education they gave to me about addiction and how addiction is dangerous for the society. Last but not the least, I have a small message to the society that I want to give, especially to the youngsters. Now, young people, we are actually the backbone of our country. We are the mainstream of hope, income, and happiness for our family and friends and our society. If we destroy our lives at this young age taking addiction, then during the major time of struggle, during the time when we grow old, there will be no one for us to keep us safe and sound. And there will be no hope for us to live a clean and sustainable life. And anyone like me who is feeling that they cannot leave addiction, I request them, and it is my urgent and sincere request to come to Punnava Seva Foundation, because here it is a complete unique place, unlike other places of treatment or rehabilitation where people say that there is a lot of pressure, people abuse, people mistreat, beatings, lashings. Here, such things are not available. Here, people are treated as patients, and with love and care, people are treated to leave addiction. That's the same way I got cured, and still now I'm in the process of recovery. It has been 9 long months that I have left addiction, and I'm happy. And right now, I'm in a stage that I do not need addiction. I've forgotten what addiction is. Right now, I'm thinking about my life, that how I should live my life, how I should be responsible and productive for my society, for my families especially. And all thanks to Punnava Seva Foundation again and again. It is really an organization that every addicted youth should come forward to in order to get healing. And I wish them all the best for the work they are doing, and I pray to God to keep their faculty, to their staff members and their management safe and sound from everything, so that they can continue this good work. And hopefully, like me, many other people will get cure from that disease of addiction. That's all I want to say now. And once again, thank you, Punnava Seva Foundation. Thank you so much. Namaste. Jai Hind.